The 2015 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, driver airbag, power steering, air conditioning, front, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, rear defrost, power windows, bucket seats, power door locks, CD player, passenger airbag, child safety locks, trip computer, brake assist, rear head airbag. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.